think what inspired us to do the program was the amount of time and energy that went into maintaining the lawn. We have a toddler and a baby.
And dogs and cats.
And dogs, and two dogs, 2 cats.
I think I got like an ad for it, and then I saw like, oh, $3 per square foot. I went to the website, and then I saw, oh, okay, we can get money for every square foot of turf that we remove.
Yeah, we were gonna get back about $3,400 in addition to turning the front lawn into what it is today.
We were so excited that we could get fruit trees through the program.
Yeah, that was actually a really big selling point because they gave us, I think it was $100 per fruit tree.
They're all blooming right now, so it looks really beautiful outside. Even our daughter, when we walk the block, she's like, that's my house. When my sister came over the other day, actually, she didn't even want to park in front of our house because she didn't want to disturb the bees.
Maintenance is pretty simple. All it basically needs is a little bit of sweeping up the wood chips a bit, and then occasionally pulling some weeds, but that, pales in comparison to having to mow a lawn. The other thing too is just the ability to conserve water. So I think for all those reasons, it's worth recommending to all of our friends and family, which we've already done.
We've already done, yeah, and it was a pleasure working with West Basin.
Yeah, it was.